Here is a very good reason, regardless of the industry or business size, as to why your business needs SEO to take your brand to the next level. Ranging from comprehending significant shifts within the market landscape to delving into intricate specifics of consumer intent, SEO provides insights into desires and requirements of customers. The information and structures derived from SEO, whether in spoken or written form, furnish us with unmistakable indications of user intent and behavioral patterns. It does this in the following ways: search data query, SERP analysis, analytics data, and AI insights. If you've liked what you've seen and heard in this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any more great tips or advice. If you want our team to help you with your marketing, why not contact our digital marketing agency, absolutemedia.uk. You can get a free consultation and take the first steps into launching your traffic to the next level. All details are in the description below.